Man, I wish there was a better way to hold this hood up. This is so annoying. Hey everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. My name is Peter. Here we have the gas strut from Racingline, and we're gonna be installing this because unfortunately, all the Mark 8s do not come with the gas strut like we are used to on the Mark 7s. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to do it. So let's go. So for this install, the only tool you will be needing is a 10 mil. Okay, so now we're going to install the gas hood strut. As you can see here, we have the manual one propping up the hood. So we're going to have the thicker side on the bottom, and then we're going to have the thin side on top. We're going to have to remove this bottom nut, and we're going to replace it with the only hardware provided, which is this one here, which has a ball on the end, and that's the mounting point for the gas strut. So let's go ahead and remove this. And now we're going to install the Racingline nut with the ball head. So before we get this installed, we're going to add a little bit of grease to both ends of the gas strut. So we'll start at the bottom here. This here is actually from factory, so don't have to do anything down there. Now that we have the bottom part installed, we're going to go ahead and install the top part. What we're going to do before we install it is we're going to put it down. We're actually gonna remove this from there or else it will be stuck. And then now that we have the hood nice and free, we can line it up and pop it right in, just like that. And now we have a gas shock for our hood on the Mark 8. Okay, so as you can see here, we are done the install. It's a super easy, less than 5-minute install, and all you need is a 10 mil. Super easy, super basic. If you want to, you can always remove this here by just twisting it out. So by removing it, you just clean up your engine bay a bit. It's not a necessary thing to do, but just cleans it up. But yeah, as you can tell, the hood holds very nicely. So after installation, we're actually going to be adjusting this coolant line right here. We found that people were having issues that when you have it installed and you close the hood, it actually touches this coolant line here and rubs against it, which will actually wear down this coolant line, and you never know, it can go all the way through and then you have coolant going everywhere. We want to avoid that. So what we're going to do is grab some channel locks, loosen that clamp, and adjust this hose to go in a little bit, just like that. So now that we have it adjusted like that, we're going to make sure that we have clearance right here, and also we're going to confirm that this is not touching. All you really need is a few millimeters, and by doing so we will have clearance from this hose down here, and we'll also have clearance from the hood's shock. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to be showing some more installs on our Mark 8 as we get parts rolling in. And make sure you like this video, comment some parts that you want to see us install on the Mark 8. We're also going to install Badgeskins. As you can tell, it's kind of bare, so we'll get some Badgeskins on the car as well. And make sure you also subscribe to the channel and have the notifications on so you know exactly when we post and can be up to date with the Mark 8 build. This is Peter from Badgeskins signing out. Peace.